Hello there. Yes. I'm talking to you. So, my name is Teacher Gideon. As you knows my name. My name is Teacher Gideon, and you are in this channel not by mistake, but maybe it is to make your dream of speaking Kiswahili or English to come true. So, once again, call me Teacher Gideon Machoni, and I'm going to take you through Swahili classes, and I'm sure you are going to enjoy this channel, and I'm very sure that you're going to learn a lot with me. So once again, I want to thank you. For making this channel to grow. As you can see, the channel is growing, the subscribers are moving, the views also are moving, and that means many people from different places are learning Kiswahili with me, and I won't fail anyone. I'm not going to fail anyone in this. I'm going to teach you everything so that you will know everything. You will know how to interact in Swahili, to interact in English. By the way, the best thing with my channel is if you don't know English, you know only Kiswahili, you will get the translations to English. So you will learn English. And if you know English but you doesn't know Kiswahili, you will get the translation. You will know Kiswahili. And this makes up to many people, the tourists who visit Africa, they can be able to interact with other citizens of Africa. So once again, my name is Teacher Gideon Machoni, and I'm going to take you through Swahili classes, Swahili lessons in this YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed, please do so that when I'm going to post part 12, this is part 11, when I'm going to post part 12, you will get the notification on your phone. And also make sure, if you haven't subscribed, if you haven't watched from part 1 to part 10, make sure you watch, then you watch this part 11, because this one now, today, it is the sentences. So we're going to look at number 1 to 13, English and Kiswahili together. So let's go to number 1. Number 1 here, it says, I was just joking. I was just joking. In Kiswahili it means nilikuwa natania tu. Nilikuwa natania tu. Nilikuwa natania tu. So maybe this is when you know, many people nowadays they love joking, like someone is just joking. Yani watu mnapenda tu kujoke, eh? People love jokes. So maybe you are talking something in jokes and someone takes it as serious, so you will just say I was just joking. So if you are just saying in Kiswahili, then you will say nilikuwa natania tu. Let's say together, nilikuwa natania tu. Nilikuwa natania tu. So we're going to look at number 2. Number 2, it is, this is not my fault. This is not my fault. If you want to say this is not my fault in Kiswahili, you will say hili sio kosa langu. Hili sio kosa langu. Yes? This was not my fault. Hili sio kosa langu. Yeah. Let's go to number 3. Number 3, we say, I really appreciate it. I really appreciate it. I really appreciate it. In Kiswahili you will say ninashukuru sana. Let's say together, please. Ninashukuru sana. I really appreciate it. In Kiswahili it is ninashukuru sana. Ninashukuru sana. That is when you are appreciating something. You are saying thank you so much. Ninashukuru sana in Kiswahili. We're going to look at number 4. Number 4, it says, where are you going? Where are you going? Where are you going? And this is a question. Where are you going? Maybe someone is moving to somewhere that you don't know, so you want to know. You ask, where are you going? Yes, where are you going? So where are you going? In Kiswahili we're going to say unaenda wapi? Unaenda wapi? Maybe his name is John. He's opening the gate and you want to ask where he is going. So you will say, John, where are you going? In Kiswahili you will say, John, unaenda wapi? John, unaenda wapi? John, where are you going? That is number 5. Number 4. Where are you going? So we put it as a person. John is opening the gate. Now you are asking John, John, where are you going? In Kiswahili you will say, John, unaenda wapi? So where are you going? In Kiswahili we will say, unaenda wapi? We're going to look at number 5. Number 5, I don't understand. This one I taught you, I think, in maybe part 2, from part 1 to part 7, somewhere in between there is I don't understand. So I don't understand. In Kiswahili you will say it. Come again. Yes, I don't understand. In Kiswahili you will say sielewi. 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 I don't understand. Sielewi. I don't understand. Sielewi. 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 I don't understand. Sielewi. Sielewi. I don't understand. Sielewi. Sielewi. Yeah, you'll say I don't understand. Sielewi, right? So we look at number 6. Number 6, it is can you help me? Now you are asking for help. Can you help me? Can you help me? So can you help me? In Kiswahili you'll say unaweza kunisaidia. Unaweza kunisaidia. Say it again. In Kiswahili please. Come again. Yes, that's very good. Unaweza kunisaidia. Can you help me? Unaweza kunisaidia. Can you help me? Unaweza kunisaidia. Unaweza kunisaidia. Say it. Unaweza kunisaidia. Can you help me? Unaweza kunisaidia. Yeah, can you help me? Unaweza kunisaidia. Yes. We look at number 7. Number 7. I am very tired. I am very tired. In Kiswahili, if you want to say I am very tired, you are going to say nimechoka sana. Nimechoka sana. I am very tired. Nimechoka sana. I am very tired. Nimechoka sana. Nimechoka sana. Nimechoka sana. Nimechoka sana. I am very tired. Nimechoka sana. Yes. So you say nimechoka sana. I am very tired. Nimechoka sana. By the way, today I'm going to teach you while I sing so that you can get it, because that time there is no worry in that song of Hakuna Matata. There is no worry. It means Hakuna Matata it means no worry. Right? You got that through the song of that cartoon, that animation. Yeah, I know you. Yeah, you. I know you got that from that animation. So Hakuna Matata there is no worry. So we are going to look at number 8. Number 8, what are you doing? What are you doing? So what are you doing? We're going to say it. What are you doing? In Kiswahili it is unafanya nini? Unafanya nini? Unafanya nini? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Unafanya nini? Unafanya nini? Unafanya nini? Unafanya nini? What are you doing? Unafanya nini? What are you doing? Unafanya nini? You got that? So we're going to look at number 9. I need some money. I need some money. I need some money in Kiswahili will say nahitaji pesa kidogo. Nahitaji pesa kidogo. I need some money. Nahitaji pesa kidogo. Let's sing it. I need some money. I need some money. Nahitaji pesa kidogo. I need some money. Nahitaji pesa kidogo. I need some money. Nahitaji pesa kidogo. Nahitaji pesa kidogo. I need some money. Nahitaji pesa kidogo. Nahitaji pesa kidogo. Nahitaji pesa kidogo. I need some money. Nahitaji pesa kidogo. We look at number 10. Don't worry about me. Don't worry about me. Don't worry about me in Kiswahili we say usijali kunihusu mimi. Usijali kuhusu mimi. Usijali kuhusu mimi. Don't worry about me. Usijali kuhusu mimi. Usijali kuhusu mimi. Don't worry about me. Usijali kuhusu mimi. Don't worry about me. Don't worry about me. Don't worry about me. Usijali kuhusu mimi. Don't worry about me. Usijali kuhusu mimi. Usijali kuhusu mimi. Usijali kuhusu mimi. Are you get that? Don't worry about me. Usijali kuhusu mimi. Number 11. I forgot my phone. I forgot my phone. I forgot my wallet. I forgot my keys. I forgot my bag. I forgot my jacket. I forgot anything. I forgot my phone now. I forgot. I forgot. I forgot. I forgot. I forgot. We will say nilisahau. I forgot, nilisahau my phone, simu yangu. I forgot my phone, nilisahau simu yangu. I forgot my phone on the table. Nilisahau simu yangu kwa meza. I forgot my phone in the car. Nilisahau simu yangu kwa gari. I forgot my phone in the house. Nilisahau simu yangu kwa nyumba. Yes, I forgot my phone. Nilisahau simu yangu. I will call you later. Later. I will call you later. Yeah, I will call you later. 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 Nitakupigia baadaye. 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 I will call you later. Nitakupigia baadaye. I will call you later. Nitakupigia baadaye. So I will call you later. Nitakupigia baadaye. We'll look at the last one, number 13. Please wait for me. Please wait for me. Tafadhali nisubiri. Tafadhali nisubiri. Tafadhali nisubiri. In English, please wait for me. So I'm going to rewind up very fast from number 1 to number 13, English, both English and Kiswahili. So number 1, I was just joking. I was just joking. In Kiswahili, nilikuwa natania tu. Nilikuwa natania tu. Number 2, this is not my fault. This is not my fault. In Kiswahili, hili sio kosa langu. Hili sio kosa langu. Number 3, I really appreciate it. I really appreciate it. I really appreciate it. In Kiswahili, ninashukuru sana. Ninashukuru sana. Number 4, where are you going? Where are you going? Unaenda wapi? Unaenda wapi? Number 5, I don't understand. I don't understand. Sielewi. Sielewi. Number 6, can you help me? Can you help me? Unaweza kunisaidia? Unaweza kunisaidia? Number 7, I am very tired. I am very tired. Nimechoka sana. Nimechoka sana. Nimechoka sana. Number 8, what are you doing? What are you doing? Unafanya nini? Unafanya nini? Number 9, I need some money. I need some money. Nahitaji pesa kidogo. Nahitaji pesa kidogo. Number 10, don't worry about me. Don't worry about me. Usijali kuhusu mimi. Usijali kuhusu mimi. Number 11, I forgot my phone. I forgot my phone. I forgot my phone. In Kiswahili we will say, nilisahau simu yangu. Nilisahau simu yangu. Number 13, I will call you later. I will call you later. I will call you later. This says that nitakupigia baadaye. Nitakupigia baadaye. So my fellow fans, I would like to appreciate you for staying with me this channel till now, and I would like you to share this video to your friend also to get some knowledge from these videos from my channel also, and ask them to subscribe so that it grows. When I reach 50 subscribers, I will be able to be posting now videos. I will be teaching while you are seeing me. You will be seeing me on a video while I teach you. And when I hit 100 subscribers, I will be streaming live. I will be going live while I teach you Swahili. So once again, I would like to appreciate you and to thank you for the help that you have given me, and may God bless you. May God be with you in all time. Be happy always. Thank you once again. Call me Teacher Gideon Machoni. I'll be taking you through Swahili classes. Have a nice time. Wait for part 12. It is coming soon in this channel still. And thank you so much. Thank you.